Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting at the all-new 2025 Audi truck, a vehicle that's making waves and shaking up expectations. Audi, known for its luxury sedans and performance SUVs, has officially entered the pickup truck market. This move marks a significant step, blending premium design, cutting-edge technology, and rugged utility in one bold package. So let's explore what makes the 2025 Audi truck a game-changer. First off, the design is stunning. True to Audi's style, the exterior combines sleek sophistication with aggressive utility. It features a wide front grille with digital LED matrix headlights, sharp lines, and a bold stance that says it's ready for both city streets and off-road adventures. The truck sits on large alloy wheels with adaptive air suspension, which means it adjusts based on your terrain. From highways to mountain trails, you're covered. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi truck doesn't disappoint. It's expected to come with multiple powertrain options, including a fully electric version as part of Audi's push towards sustainability. The electric model might offer dual motors with Quattro all-wheel drive, delivering instant torque and smooth acceleration. Preliminary specs suggest a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, making it competitive with current F trucks on the market. For those not ready to go fully electric, Audi may also offer a plug-in hybrid variant. Inside the cabin, it's pure Audi luxury. Think digital cockpit, touch-responsive displays, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials throughout. The interior is spacious, with ergonomic seating, a large infotainment screen integrated with Audi's MMI system, and voice assistant functionality. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's not just a truck, it's a tech-savvy luxury lounge on wheels. Safety and convenience features are top tier. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic parking, and even trailer assist for those who haul. Audi is also pushing forward with semi-autonomous driving tech, so expect some futuristic features here. Now, let's talk practicality. The bed is designed with versatility in mind. Audi includes multiple tie-down points, a hidden tool compartment, power outlets, and even a modular rail system for gear and accessories. Towing capacity is estimated to be between 8,000 to 10,000 pounds, which puts it right up there with other premium trucks. The 2025 Audi truck isn't just about luxury or power, it's about balance. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a daily commuter, or someone who just appreciates good engineering, this truck is built to impress. That's it for today's breakdown of the 2025 Audi truck. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is Audi on the right track with this bold move? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.